Good morning. I need an office makeover, so that's what we're doing today. So I've been working from my dining table for like 2 weeks, but now I have a home office space, but it's not set up. So I thought it'd be fun if we did it together because I love doing that kind of thing, and chances are you probably love that kind of thing too. So I've ordered some small stuff like mouse pad, like a cute pen pot and things like that. So come and set up my new home office with me. So this is the space. I haven't done anything to it. This is like this jigsaw here from when my brother was doing a jigsaw puzzle, obviously. There's some shelves here. I'm obviously gonna clear all of this away, get a nicer chair as well. But yeah, so it's definitely work in progress, but it's gonna look really cute, and I'm really happy about the fact it's in front of a window as well, so I get all the nice daylight. But yeah, let's clear this first. Okay, so now I'm here. I'm pretty much set up. This is really cute. I'm now going to, there's this monitor, ugly. I have this contact paper, and I'm gonna wrap it, cut it and wrap it around like the frame. I don't know what that bit's called, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I've done it on my monitors before because I just want it to be white, and I think I'm gonna do the whole thing. So let's do that. Like I said, it's not perfect, but I just think it matches the desk a bit better. that's it. It's not completely done, but it's as done as it can be for now. I have some things still due to arrive, but I'll probably make another video because they're quite big things, so I think I'll make another video when they arrive. But that's it so far. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.